You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Hello. Today we're continuing our guide, moving from San Francisco to Europe, and in this episode, we're focusing on organizing your belongings. This is an essential step to ensure a smooth and stress-free international move. Moving across the globe is an exciting adventure, but requires careful planning and organization. So let's dive into how you can manage your belongings effectively to set yourself up for success in your new European home. First, organize your belongings. Make sure you declutter and downsize. Before you even start packing, it's crucial to declutter and downsize. This is going to reduce the volume of items you need to move, and it will help you have a fresh start. Here's how to streamline the process. First, categorize items. Separate your belongings into categories: keep, sell, donate, and discard. Then, assess the value and need. Evaluate each item's usefulness and its condition. If you have not used something in the past year, consider whether you even need it. And sentimental items. For items with sentimental value, take photos as keepsake instead of moving them. Organize a garage sale or even use online platforms. First, let's talk about garage sale. Host a garage sale to sell items you don't need any longer. This is a great way to declutter and make some extra money. You can also check out online selling. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or even Facebook Marketplace are perfect for selling valuable items. And donations. You can donate gently used items to local charities. This helps reduce waste and it supports those in need. And there is recycling and disposal. Properly dispose of items that can't be sold or donated. You can check local recycling programs for electronics and those hazardous materials. And now that we've sorted, we're ready for packing. Create a packing plan and an inventory list. A well thought out packing plan is key to an organized move. Room by room approach. Pack one room at a time, starting with non-essential items and moving to everyday essentials as your departure date nears. And have an inventory list. Create a detailed inventory of your belongings. This will help you with customs, insurance, and tracking. And a packing schedule. Set and follow your packing schedule. Allocate specific days for different rooms or item categories. Here are some tips for packing fragile and valuable items. For those fragile items, use padding materials like bubble wrap and label boxes as fragile to ensure careful handling. For valuable items, pack valuable items like jewelry and important documents in your carry-on. Use secure, tamper-proof containers. Efficient use of space. Use soft items like clothing to cushion fragile items and fill empty spaces in boxes. This will prevent shifting. For heavy items, pack heavy items in smaller boxes for easy lifting and carrying. Labeling boxes for easy unpacking. Properly labeling makes unpacking much smoother. And clear labels. Label each box with its contents and the room it belongs to. You can even use color-coded labels for added clarity. This will help with customs and it will help you moving into your new home. Priority items. Mark essential items you'll need immediately as priority. This will help you to relocate them quickly. Inventory numbers. Number each box and cross-reference it with your inventory list to track and ensure that all items arrive safely. By following these steps, decluttering, downsizing, creating a packing plan, and labeling your boxes, you will have streamlined your move and make settling into your new home in Europe so much easier. For a seamless and stress-free international move, you can trust SDC International Shipping. With our global network and dedicated teams, we ensure your belongings safe and efficient transportation. You can visit our website to learn more about our reliable international moving services. Thanks for tuning in and happy moving.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.